I went to the fall Carlisle auction and some classic cars sold for 20 grand or less. Let's go check them out. Starting with this 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's got a blue exterior with the Pontiac rims and redline tires. It's the Model J. It has a 400 cubic inch engine with the Turbo 400, power disc brakes, power windows, and locks. The interior is black with bucket seats and a console. It also has the hood mounted tack. This car sold for $16,000. The next car is a 1966 Mercury S55. Under the hood is the 428 Super Marauder with 345 horsepower. The engine and drivetrain is all original. It's a two-owner car and was repainted once. The interior is black with bucket seats and a console. The car has factory air conditioning, power brakes, and was sold for $13,500. If you enjoy classic car videos, hit the subscribe button below and be notified of my future videos. Next is a 1965 Ford Mustang. Its red paint was recently sprayed and the chrome bumpers are new. It has hubcaps with new white wall tires. Under the hood is its original 289, which was rebuilt. The car has an automatic transmission and power steering. The black interior is also very nice, with bucket seats and a floor shifter. This Mustang sold for $15,500. A 1963 Buick Skylock. This convertible has only belonged to one family and only has 22,000 miles. The white exterior with chrome trim is very nice. The car has aftermarket wheels, a white power top, and a white interior with bucket seats and a column shifter. Under the hood is its original 215 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine. This Buick sold for $20,500. I just love the styling of these Buick Rivieras. This one is a 73 wearing midnight green with the tan vinyl top and pinstripes. Under the hood is a 455 backed by an automatic transmission. The car is cruise control with power windows and seats. Even the side molding on this car looks stylish. It has a tan leather interior with the shifter on the column. This car sold for $8,000 and may be the best bargain in this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. The next car is a 1955 Ford Fairlane. It has a Fiesta red and colonial white exterior. The windshield bumpers and floorboards are all new. Under the hood is a 283 Chevy engine with an automatic transmission. The interior is black and gray, and this car sold for $9,250. This 1976 Chevy L Camino has a white exterior with the blue and red Spirit of America stripes, making this car red, white, and blue. (1976) was the bicentennial year when the U.S. celebrated its 200-year anniversary. The car sold for $9,750. Next is a 1965 Volkswagen Beetle. This car is mostly original and unrestored. It is believed to have only 25,000 miles. It has the typical Volkswagen hubcaps and white wall tires. In the rear is a 4-cylinder engine and a 4-speed transmission. The interior is the same color as the outside and is just as beautiful. This car sold for $16,000. Check out my other affordable car videos here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.